The reality is that about 90% of the total BOD and COD that's generated from a beverage production facility is generated in the first 5 to 10 minutes of a first rinse off of a clean in place process. We took a sample at 4 minutes once that after that bottling line started draining, and 8 minutes after that bottling line started draining. And what you're seeing is what's actually being collected in this sump. After the first 4 minutes, our BOD concentration is 16,000 parts per million. After 8 minutes in the sump, what's being collected in the sump is actually 117,000 parts per million. You can see that within the first 10 minutes, we have a huge jump in concentration that's being sent to that sump. And the total volume, right, before those concentrations start to go down again, and you're getting into that last piece of the first rinse and onto the second rinse, it's only about 200 gallons on a single rinse. But you have 200 gallons of very highly concentrated wastewater, a tiny volume, very, very concentrated. But if you can isolate this small volume with these high concentrates, the rest of your flow throughout the day is going to look really good.